Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Venu Sq2 and I'm gonna show you how to set up the alarm clock on this device. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons. Once you wake up the screen, press and hold the lower button to open the menu. And after the menu opens, you should see the clocks option, tap on it and then select alarms. And here, if you don't have any alarms yet, you should see the add alarm button, tap on it, and now we can set the time for our alarm, on which time it should go off, and you can do it by swiping up and down right here on the hours, then minutes, and then AM and PM. And once you're done, tap on the check mark, and the alarm will be added to the list right here. You can customize it even further by tapping on it. This will enter the customize mode or menu, and here we can change the time again. We can tap on repeat to select on which days the alarm should go off, and we have options like once, daily, weekday, weekend, and custom. If you select once, it's gonna ring only one day. Basically the next time it's set to ring, or not ring, maybe go off. Next we have the daily, so it's gonna go off every day. Next we have weekday, so it's gonna go off on every weekday. Then we have weekend, so it's gonna go off on weekends, and the custom one, if you tap on this one, you will be able to select specific days on which the alarm should go off. For example, Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. And once you're done, you can tap on checkmark. And as you can see, now we have Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. And the last option right here is label. And you can basically assign the label to the alarm, so you can recognize them quite, or maybe easier. Okay, and once you're done, you can swipe right, and here we have our alarm. We can enable it or disable it by tapping on the switch. We can add more alarms, like this, and we can also remove the alarms. So if you want to remove the alarm, tap on it, scroll down, and tap on delete, like this. Okay, and that's how you set up the alarm clock on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.